Call one dot. There's a direct method called remove and tell what you want to remove. I want to remove true. Now I'm using a for each loop. For each. What is that here? For also can be used. For each also can be used. True is removed. See, sir, first true is removed, but what clues are there now? Set will always start from zero position, man. Set will always start from where it finds it. It is stopped up now. That is, even the two truths are there. What is removed mean? Sir, if I want to remove the second true, not the first true, I want to remove the second true, not the first true. But what is removed? First true removed. But what I want to remove? Second true. I want to remove the second true now, not the first one. Are you clear? No worries, guys. There is a method called as remove at and pass the index position. What is the index position of the second row? Fourth element. Fourth element means 3. Check. What is removed? Second row. I want to remove true and hello also. At a time. True and hello at a time. Okay, I'm commenting this. So all are as it is only now. I want to remove both. Can you guys guess this? And who is there? You are telling 4. That is what you should tell. Don't do 3 and 4 then. What you should tell? Start from 3 and remove 2 elements. Are you clear? Start from 3. Remove 2 elements. Means what is removed? 3 and 4 are removed. Are you clear? Okay. Guys, if I say 3, 1, then I think like these two are same then. Now both are behaving in the same way. See? Now tell me if I say what is removed? First two is removed. What is removed? Watch and answer here. That is also true only, na? First item is true only, na? Tell me. What is removed? Same only. All 3 are same now. Even I say can remove 2 or remove 1 or remove range 1, 1. All 3 are same. Are you getting me? Actually, don't know the reason. They did not use overloading here. See. Generally we use overloading. But overloading is not used. The 3 separate methods are given. 3 separate methods are given. Remove, remove it, and remove range. So this is the drawback. If overloading is not used, multiple method names you should remember now. But if overloading is there, that's only one method, different parameters. One method and different parameters. They did not use overloading here. If there's a problem, if overloading is not used, you are required to remember every method and its name. Okay, fine. Are you clear with remove? What next? Insert. Guys, where 2 is removed in the list, I want to insert. Where 2 is removed, I want to insert false. Got it or not? I want to insert Z. I want to insert Z. Where do you want to insert? Where 2 is removed, there I want to insert. Where did you remove 2? Please index 1. The second item, my index is there. 1. They want to insert. Correct now? Just like remove man, you have to insert also. Where do you want to insert? Position 1. What do you want to insert? Character A. Sorry, character Z. Character Z is what I want to. Okay, reprint and see now. See, this is the initial value. 2 is there. First I removed. Now, and I inserted Z in that place now. So insert is here. Yes or not? So what you tested? Remove, insert. Third feature, auto resizing. The third interesting feature is auto. Okay. Actually, did you notice from top to bottom, nowhere you specified the size of this? You created a array list. Where did you specify the size? Did you? But it is going to add you the items now. This internally auto resizing feature is working now. Are you clear? But still, I can show you practically. I can show you this auto resizing practically. What is that? There is a property for all the collections called as, there is a property called as capacity. What is that? The capacity property will tell you the number of items this collection can store. The number of items this collection can store. Okay, observe. Console dot write line. Initial capacity. Watch it, all of you. What is the capacity? 0. It is telling 0 capacity, but still it is adding items in it now. Okay, well, just a second. After adding 100, let me check the capacity of it. What is the capacity? What is this, sir? Suddenly it became 4. That is only auto resizing means. Whenever there is a need of storing a value, it will immediately create a room for 4 items. String builder created a 16, doubling the capacity. Same only here, initial 0. After adding the first item, it becomes 4. What is happening there? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Not interested, don't come to the class. Okay, so what is the initial capacity? I added the first item and the capacity became 4 now. Means there is a room for storing 3 more items. 3 more items. Correct? Come on, let's store. 2. See, 100 is the first one. The fourth item now, 4 more items. Now, if I see the capacity here, what is the capacity? 4 only. Why? Room is present for 4. Number of items load are 4 now. Okay. When will it increase? When you add the 5th item, it will increase. When you add the 5th item, it will increase. Watch. This is my 5th item. Hello is my 5th item. Guess the capacity? 8 is the capacity. 8 becomes 16 when 9th item. When you're adding the 9th item, it will bring up 16. 16 becomes 32. When you're adding the 17th item, 32 to 64, 64 to 1.5, 56, 5, 12, 1034. Like this, it keeps on increasing the values now. Are you clear or not? Like this, it keeps it. If there is nothing present, initial capacity will be 0. Later on, it will double the capacity. It is, sorry, when initial capacity is 0, it will go to 4. It will go to 4. Not 0, double. Did you understand? If it is 0, it is 4. Not 0, double. 4 is there, 4. 4 is there, 8. 8 is there, 16. Double increments. Okay. See here, one thing I'll show you. All these collection classes here actually have 3 constructors under them. How many? What is this constructor? Default constructor. The first one is a default constructor. And right now here we created instance by using default constructor only, see. And when you create an instance by using default constructor, the behavior I shown you now, initial capacity will be 0. Afterwards, it will become 4. From then, doubles. But when I'm creating an instance here, I can tell my own initial capacity also. I can tell my own initial capacity. What is the initial capacity now? All are 10. Why? 10 is the capacity. The number of items here are 5 only. This 10 becomes 20 when you're adding the 11th item now. 20 becomes 40. 40 becomes 80. 80 becomes 160. That's how it is. When to use this, sir? See, you know you are going to store minimum 50 items in the collection. You know you are going to store minimum 50 items in the collection. When you know you will be storing 50 items in the collection, why 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, unnecessary waste of time now? Directly start with 50. At a time, there is a room for 50 items now. There is a restaurant here. People coming there for food now. How many people will come for food? We don't know. So what they do? They prepare first for 10 people. After 10, again another 10 people, another 10 people. This is how we cooked it. But they know every day minimum 100 people are going to come here for eating the food now. Then I didn't prepare for 100 people. Why do you prepare for 10 waste of time and resources now? Are you clearer or not? This is the second constructor. Okay, see, I'm giving 2. See now, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8. This only I said, if it is 0, you go to 4. Not 0, double. If it is 2, what it became? 4. Then 2, 8. Double the capacity. Third constructor. What is the third constructor? You know, the third constructor is copy constructor. Remember copy constructor? When we want to copy the values from one to the other, we use a copy constructor. I already discussed on this. The third constructor is a copy constructor. 2 is only right now default parameterized. Okay, what is the parameter? Capacity text. Now, I'm using a copy constructor here. Just a minute. Watch. I'm creating a new collection here. What is it? Array list is equals to new array list. Remember, I already thought about a copy constructor. When we use a copy constructor, all the values of the first instance are copied as it is into the second instance now. Yes or not? Now all the 5 values are copied into the collection to print and see if you want. What should I print? Collection 2, not collection 1. Okay. See there. Copy it. Can you guess the capacity of the new collection? I'm asking the capacity of the new collection. What is the current capacity of the new collection? Wrong answer. 5. How many values are copied? That is only taken as initial capacity. How many values are copied? That is only taken as initial capacity. Check. Which one? Right. Now, guys, let me add a new value into this. Let me add a new value into this. Call2.add. Call2.add. I'm adding true. Are you clear? Call2.add. I'm adding true now. Can you guess the capacity? 10 is the capacity. 10 is the capacity. Why? Current capacity is 5, the number of items are 5 now. When you're storing a new item, it should double now.